Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable fritters in easy way. You only need cabbage, white or red, bean sprout, carrot, garlic. You can also use garlic powder, scallion, all-purpose flour, salt, and water. First, what we want to do is to mash our garlic. If you have garlic powder, then you can skip this. Okay, you don't really need to be all mashed up, just like roughly mash. The next thing is we will make our liquid. So first, all-purpose flour, okay, and the garlic that we've been mashed. Okay, some salt and water. Mix this together. You want to make the liquid is as a pancake consistency, not too liquidy, not too thick. Okay, it's really hard to record and working at the same time. Alright, this is what you want. So you make sure there is no lump in the flour, yeah? Okay, and now we put our carrot, sprout, and cabbage, and also along with the scallion. So you mix everything together here. Okay. Alright, this is how it's supposed to be looks like. Now we're going to fry it. Next is you want to heat up some oil. Not deep fried, but also not too little oil. So this is how it looks like. Non-stick pan with a medium-high heat. So now we can put our fritters. Today we're making the vegan one, so I didn't put egg in it. The original recipe is they have egg in it. You can also add some shrimp and pork, whatever you want, but today we're going vegan. After that, you guys want to cook this golden brown in both sides. So when it's quite ready, you want to flip it, okay? So this is quite set already, so I want to flip it. Yay! Flip it, but it's not ready. Remember to have the fire on the medium low. Alright, this is almost ready, so you can flip it again for one more time. Flip it, and then this is how it looks like when it's done. Enjoy!